Good morning, May. This is my application letter.
Good morning. Okay, and accept. Before that, introduce yourself briefly.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Komang Tami. I'm graduated from SMK number 1 Singaraja, majoring in office. Evan Jung, I'm graduated from vocational high school. I'm active in improving my competence, especially in the department there. I'm used to using Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Which are asked to create letter agenda, financial report, letter archive, and create material from presentation. Apart from that, I am also trying to type quickly so that the tasks given are complemented quickly.
Use strength and weakness.
I have strength. I'm used to doing skill assessment using Microsoft Office, be it Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and typing quickly. And my weakness, I don't have such fine experience, namely working in an agency. This is why I'm active in preparing skill in the administration field.
Do you have question?
When will you be informed about the result received?
For information received, we will inform you via email.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.